Picture with this man at work, but I thought I saw him the other day. I walked up to him, it was another man.
Mass distraction.
Well, they told me he worked for the EEOC.
Exactly that on the midnight roll.
Smith suggested the memo was designed
He gave me $100
media
tip one
attention
time.
away from the Russia probe.
They'd be like, he probably could tell you what's the best.
More left-leaning media, meanwhile, have largely embraced concerns raised by the FBI that the memo is dangerous.
Because I was reading the EEOC, it said go ahead and talk to the people, try to get up with the upper management and see how they decide they're going to settle it. And if you're not happy or what they're doing or how they did it, then call the EEOC. But they like people to try to
work it out themselves to get what you could get.
And they know that will misinform the public.
Now the memo is out. Audiences
they should have
decide for themselves.
They should have said, well, what you want us
to
to pay?
$23
an hour. That's what I want. I won't sue.
Like Fox and Rush Limbaugh.
And I ain't signing nothing.
Even more troubling questions about the 2016 presidential election.
I think that's what she should get. They got badges. But Erica said they did. They have a girl work there. She made $23 an hour. A white girl. And the girl asking her for the girl was asking the lady today, well, how much the raise gonna be? How much we gonna get?
Is there no limit?
She asked Miss Tracy, the one that's on. She said, I don't know. Why y'all asking me? Everybody asking me. I don't know.
American healthcare.
She said, you've been here longer than me. You asked me. She said, of course, Miss Tracy's always talking about everything.
So big, no one company can do this.
She said, well, I don't know, baby.
He's found his two other companies, and it is on. From American Public Media,
Well,
this
it'd
is
be more than
Marketplace Tech.
12 cents.
I'm Molly Wood.
Marketplace Tech is supported by Battelle, serving industry and government.
The job not bad. The job is easy.
Safety and efficacy.
It's just the conditions, like the smell.
Battelle.org/marketplace.
And for that little money, I don't feel it's worth
hybrid
it.
forecasting competition.
It's
where
like,
you can test and improve
like the
your
girl
global
said, we gotta
forecasting
deal with
skills
bodily
as a
fluids all
volunteer.
day.
Learn more at hybridforecasting.com.
Earlier this week, Amazon, JP Morgan Chase, and Berkshire Hathaway announced that they are forming a venture to make healthcare more affordable.
We better go to Starbucks.
Oh, you want to go to Starbucks? You want to go to Starbucks?
I do, but I was going to get some cash back.
Here's a company that seems to want to be a monopoly, not just in one area, but in several of them. So it is a great topic for our quality assurance segment, taking a second look at the big news story of the week.
Okay.
Alexander Nazarian is a senior writer for Newsweek. In 2016, he wrote a piece called How Jeff Bezos is Hurtling Toward World Domination. I asked him if there's ever been another company with Amazon's broad ambition.
I don't know where. Like I would be on Bobby and like, but right now, like I don't know. I guess I'm older now. I just don't want to deal with her. I don't want to be fussing back and forth.
It's like they're so dominant, and yet they're still so
incredibly
ambitious.
Seems like when you get older, that
What
stuff
does
don't
Amazon
really
think
matter.
That it can
I said what I wanted done is done, so I ain't got nothing else to say to her.
Companies and solve, healthcare.
He probably sees it.
So why she gotta act like that? Why she?
1995, just not a good way.
You know how they said people should grow up, but she ain't. She's still stuck in the. Her brain is still stuck like when we were children.
Really good at delivering things cheaply. And the other
And she blaming it on her dad.
Bending the cost curve, and he's like, well, those are exactly
the way he treated mom was like that. So it's gotta be that's in genes. Yeah, that's fine.
Data is obviously at the heart of Amazon's operation. So I think he has
like one lady was saying that was. She said, I can't, I can't tolerate or stand people that don't grow.
Attitude,
that don't have growth. She said, I hate people like that.
I have all the ingredients and I can do that.
They just stay the same way like it was.
I have all the
it's like they don't learn nothing. It's just when you're supposed to learn stuff and you grow from that.
On how complex the recipe actually is. And
she ain't. She's just the same way. I bet when she went home, she was doing just how she was doing in the shelter, rolling on the floor because she can't get what she wants.
As a giant distressed property.
You're a grown woman, got a grown son, two grown sons, and you acting like that?
Are you okay with it? Like as a consumer?
How would you know you was a grandma?
I am only because I'm so distraught at the state of our healthcare system.
So you think they'll do a good enough job that it'll be worth it?
I
think anything that's going to make healthcare affordable, that's going to centralize medical records, we should applaud those efforts because the federal government is not doing it right now. And look.